Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are doing well and thank you so much for your love and support so far. In one of my previous video, I have uploaded a recipe about how to make chicken biryani, but many of my vegetarian friends has requested me to upload a recipe about how to make a vegetable biryani. So this recipe is specially for my vegetarian friends. I hope you guys will like the recipe. I myself enjoy this vegetable biryani as much as I enjoy the chicken biryani. So let's see how to make this vegetable biryani. So let's take a look at the ingredients we need to prepare this yummy vegetable biryani. Today I have taken some vegetables like cauliflower, potatoes, beans, then some carrots, but you can take any vegetables of your choice. Then we need some spices to marinate the vegetables and as well as to prepare the biryani. Today I have taken some red chili powder, then turmeric powder, then cumin powder, then coriander powder, then MDH Hyderabadi biryani masala and also some garam masala powder and one ananas or biryani flour. I have also taken lemon and one red chili which is optional. We also need plain yogurt, about 1 cup of it. Then ghee or clarified butter, about 2 to 3 tablespoons. Then some fresh mint leaves. Then some coriander leaves roughly chopped. Ginger garlic paste, about 1 tablespoon. Then oil. I have taken olive oil here and salt as per taste. I have also taken 3 onions roughly chopped, which we will fry later and use it for the biryani. Then the most important ingredient for the biryani, that is some good quality basmati rice. Today I have taken about 1.5 cup of good quality basmati rice. We will start by marinating the vegetables. For that, first transfer all the vegetables into a bowl. Here I want to say that you can also add paneer, but today I am not adding it. Now add yogurt. Then add all the spices except the biryani flour, which we will use while preparing the biryani. Then add ginger garlic paste, about 1 tablespoon. Then squeeze some lemon juice, about 1 tablespoon. Then add oil, also about 1 tablespoon. And finally add salt as per taste. Now mix everything very well, then cover it and let it marinate for about 30 minutes. In the meantime, let's prepare the rice. For that, first soak the rice in water for about at least 15 to 20 minutes. While our rice is soaking and the vegetables are marinating, we will prepare the onions. For that, first heat up a pot, then add onions, then add oil, about 8 to 10 tablespoons. We may have to add more oil depending on the quantity of the onions. Now mix it well and fry it for 10 minutes on low heat. Keep stirring in between, otherwise your onion may burn. After 10 minutes, once the onions starts turning into brown, increase the heat and fry for another 1 to 2 minutes. Now transfer it into a plate on a tissue paper and spread it with the help of a fork. Now it is time to cook the rice. For that, add about 6 to 7 cups of water into a pot and let it boil. Then add some cumin seeds, also 1 tablespoon of oil and salt as per taste. The oil prevents the rice from sticking to each other. Now add the soaked rice and let it boil for 2 to 3 minutes. Once your rice starts jumping like this, that means it is done. You can also check by breaking the rice into 2 parts like I am doing. Now remove the water and spread it into a plate. Finally, it is time to prepare the biryani. For that, first heat up a cooker, then add about 1 tablespoon of oil and 2 tablespoons of ghee. Once the oil is hot, then add the biryani flour. Now add the vegetables along with the remaining part of the marination. Mix it well and let it cook for 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, you can add some fried onions and some coriander leaves, which will give a very nice flavor to the biryani. If your vegetables looks very dry, then you can add about 2 to 3 tablespoons of yogurt or 1/3 cup of water. Now add about half a teaspoon of biryani masala. Mix it well and then let it cook for another 2 minutes. First we will add some fried onions, then a layer of rice. Now we will add the rice layer by layer, as Hyderabadi biryani is all about layers. Then we will add some more fried onions. Some mint leaves. Then another layer of rice. Finally again add some more fried onions, some mint leaves and 1 tablespoon of ghee. Now close the lid of the cooker, remove the whistle and the rubber before closing it. Let it cook for 3 to 5 minutes on low heat. After 5 minutes, place the cooker on a pan or a tawa and cook for another 20 minutes on low heat. Finally, your yummy, spicy, tasty vegetable biryani is ready. You can see the rice is so nicely cooked and also the vegetables look so delicious. Garnish it with some coriander leaves and serve it with some raita. Enjoy! I hope you guys liked the recipe and the video. So please like, share and subscribe to my channel and click on the bell icon to get notification about my upcoming videos. See you soon with a new video. Bye bye.